Understanding full battery, an essential phrase for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase in English, full battery. Whether you're using a smartphone, laptop, or any rechargeable device, this phrase is extremely useful and widely used. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to fully charge your English skills. Full battery refers to the state of a rechargeable battery when it has been charged to its maximum capacity. It means that the battery is 100% charged and the device can be used for the longest time possible before it needs to be recharged again. This phrase is often seen on electronic devices or heard in everyday conversations when discussing the battery life of gadgets. You might hear or use full battery in various contexts. For instance, you could say, "I can't wait to unplug my phone. It's finally on a full battery." Or, "Make sure your camera has a full battery before we go sightseeing." These sentences highlight the importance of having a device fully charged for convenience and uninterrupted usage. Understanding full battery also opens the door to related phrases like low battery, battery life, and charge the battery. Low battery indicates that the device needs to be charged soon, while battery life refers to how long a device can operate before it needs to be recharged. Charge the battery is the action of plugging the device into a power source to increase its battery level. And that's a wrap on full battery. Remember, this phrase is all about being fully charged and ready to go. Whether you're planning a day out or just using your everyday gadgets, knowing this phrase can be incredibly helpful. Keep practicing, and your English skills will be fully charged in no time. See you in the next video.